Today, we're looking at products that help you sleep, that keep you organized, and have some expandable storage. You know what time it is? Let's talk about some awesome travel products. When we're on the go, we want everything to stay organized, and that includes our personal care items. That's what makes this toiletry bag great. The ULA Equipment Toiletry Kit has 2 compartments, but the main compartment is where this bag really shines. While the kit itself is very light, the bottom has a wide, rigid base that gives the bag enough structure to help it stand up on its own, even when it's empty. That makes packing this a breeze since you don't have to keep opening up the main compartment really wide just to stick some bottles inside. Also, because of how light and flexible the bag's material is, you can easily see everything you pack in here. That's a design feature we love, as being able to grab my comb or my lotion without digging around makes it super convenient. You'll notice that there is a zipper pocket for smaller items and a mesh slip pocket near the front. Anything you put in here can be seen from the outside, which is reminiscent of how clear toiletry bags allow you to see things inside without opening them. If that's something you like while still keeping some items away from the sun or prying eyes, you may use this pocket more than you think. The bag is made of a reinforced double 200D grid fabric called Ultra Grid. It's recycled nylon, but it offers surprising durability with an interesting grid pattern aesthetic. That may work for you if most of your bags are a solid color, since this will certainly stand out when compared to bags with other fabrics or patterns. It's got a bit of a crunchy sound, which some of us like, and a smooth texture, which makes it super easy to clean. Here's a quick loadout of the bag when I was testing it so you can see everything that can fit in this small but durable package. If you're prone to spilling your hot drinks or you're just always on the go, you're going to want to check out this travel bottle from YETI. This is the Rambler 16 ounce, a double insulated bottle that's perfect for keeping your coffee hot and your water cold. What sets this edition apart from their other bottles is the tapered bottom, allowing it to be more universally compatible with most cup holders. It has a robust powder coat finish that doesn't make us the least bit worried about dropping it, even though it's a bit heavy at a pound, which is one of the only cons we found with this product. We haven't even talked about the most interesting part yet, that being the commuter cap. Think of this like an adult version of a sippy cup. Twist it righty-tighty, and it seals the liquid inside no matter how much you shake it up. And turning it to the left will open a 360 sipper, allowing you to drink from anywhere around the cap. It's perfect for making sure you don't spill those hot drinks when you fill this thing to the brim or scald your tongue when you take too big of a drink. However, if you do want to gulp your water down, you can twist the cap to the left again and the whole centerpiece comes out. Just like its namesake, the Rambler is perfect for taking drinks on a walk. Just ask our staff writer, Christine.
It works out great for walks because you can literally dump it over and nothing spills out, so you can carry it by your side. But I do have to say it gets very heavy after a while, especially if you're on a multi-mile walk.
If you like the sound of this, but maybe wish it were a tad smaller and lighter, it does come in at 12 ounce as well. And if you want to hear more of our thoughts on this, check out our full review linked in the description below. Flat pouches are awesome because they can be easily stowed away when not in use, and they're usually made of material that makes it ready for anything. We think of this one from Aer like a junk drawer in a backpack. The Aer Simple Kit is made of a tough, lightweight fabric called Ultra 200X. This ultra-resistant material is great for storing those odds and ends where you're not sure where you're going to put them, but you also don't want to lose them to the depths of your backpack. While this isn't safe for storing items like sunglasses without scratching them, it can double as a tech pouch or a toiletry bag, and you won't have to worry about the rain drenching your devices. Similar to the ULA, it has a crunchy sounding material and a specific look that is great for some, but not for others. It also has a gusset at the bottom to help the bag stand on its own. It's not as rigid, but it works in most cases depending on what you pack inside. There's not much else to say. It is called the Simple Kit after all. But we do have a review on this as well. And if you've used this kit or any of the other awesome products in this video, let us know what you think of them in the comments below. If you're an aspiring photographer and looking for a tripod on the smaller side, then you should consider this one from Manfrotto. Even at 8 inches tall, the PIXI Evo's slim profile makes it easy to pack into any camera bag or backpack. It's lightweight at just over 9 ounces, and it's made of aluminum and technopolymer, which is just a fancy way of saying plastic, but it's sturdy nonetheless. The legs can be shifted to accommodate most uneven terrains, and these rubbery grips on the bottom add a good amount of stability. Not only that, but by pressing these buttons on the legs, you can extend them up to an additional 2 inches. Manfrotto has been a trusted company in the camera world for decades, so one thing you'll be able to rely on is this ball head, which can hold up to 5.5 pounds. That's not something we feel we can say about every tripod we've tested. It's a bit pricey, but if you can get past the initial sticker shock, it's a great dependable piece of gear for photography on the go. On top of that, the extendable legs give it extra versatility, allowing it to double as a solid option for vloggers. This next bag from Bellroy comes in 3 sizes. You can let us know in the comments below which one is just right for you. Its nylon shell is made with 50% recycled ocean waste, meaning those discarded plastic bottles and fishing nets are helping to make a nice bag instead of hurting our friendly sea creatures. The interior is similar to a tote, with a few pockets that can fit large items like a compact umbrella or a water bottle, depending on what size you're using. If your idea of everyday carry is a book or a Kindle to squeeze in some reading on the go, then the 7 liter is going to be a great choice. However, if your daily loadout includes a 14-inch laptop, then the 12 liter is going to be more your speed. If you're a little too good at setting your bag down and immediately forgetting where it is, Bellroy's got you covered with their usual handy pocket designed specifically for an AirTag. Don't worry though, you can also fit in other trackers like a Trtl or a tile tracker if you're not part of the Blue Bubble gang. The strap is a simple seatbelt-like material with no padding, which is why we think this bag is better suited for lighter, everyday essentials. That said, the quilted back panel adds a nice bit of cushioning that hugs your body nicely while wearing it. You also get the usual rear pocket you see on most slings these days for your flat, small items. Our staff writer Christine preferred the 7 liter over the 12 liter because that one felt a little bit too much like a messenger bag, but I loved that version as a personal item on my recent trip to the Philippines. If you're a fan of taking naps on longer flights, then you're going to want a sleep mask that can block out ambient light or that pesky light above you that your seat partner keeps using. Now you might be saying, Lauren, it's a sleep mask. It can't possibly be awesome enough to be featured in one of these videos. And to that I say, are you sure about that? The Glimpse sleep mask is in fact awesome because it offers so many options to make it just for you. Not only is the headband adjustable with its Velcro strap, but you can also take off the eye cups and move them around to perfectly match your pretty little head. The material is super breathable, so you won't feel like you're baking in a sauna after long uses, and the wide, airy band doesn't feel claustrophobic at all. The eye cups are delightfully thick, so anyone with long lashes won't feel any discomfort, and they block out all light for a blissful, uninterrupted sleep. Unless you lift this little band that Trtl calls the peekaboo layer, which might just be the cutest name for a feature ever. You won't be able to see clearly with this flipped up, but you can catch light and shadows, which is perfect if you just need to check if the snack cart is coming your way. The included travel pouch is great for packing yourself a little sleep kit, and oh, would you look at that? It even comes with a pair of earplugs. If you're looking for a sleep mask that's a little bit more wallet friendly, the Mizzou Sleep Eye Mask is a solid alternative. We even featured it in our best sleep masks for travel list, which you can find on our website, link in the description below. If you thought this episode wouldn't include a backpack, think again. Tortuga has been a go-to for extended trips, from their packable backpack to their travel backpack Pro, and the Daily Carry Pro is no exception. It's the 3rd bag on this list made with recycled materials, shout out to our eco-friendly brands, and it's made with a EcoPack EPX polyester that's great at keeping out the snow and rain and can take a beating from the most rough and tumble users. It has plenty of pockets, including 2 water bottle pockets if you prefer one side over the other, want to take an umbrella or a small tripod with you, or just like having 2 water bottles on hand. There's also an admin pocket, a top pocket, a side pocket, a laptop pocket, and a clamshell compartment with plenty of room for packing cubes, a lunchbox, or other large items. Did I mention that it has a lot of pockets? And they're all really functional. Most of them are made of mesh, so you're going to be able to see your gear at a glance when you open a zipper, and the laptop compartment has a super soft padding that is going to cradle any laptop and tablet you toss in there. Tortuga is pushing this as an EDC bag, which you definitely could use it for and have a ton of room to spare, but we think it's best suited for weekend getaways or even a quick day hike with a couple of friends. It's also surprisingly light for how much gear you can fit in here, and because of its wide base, it can stand up all on its own. So that's some of the awesome gear that we've been loving lately. As I've said throughout this video, we do have reviews of these items over on our reviews channel, so definitely check that out if you want to learn more about them. Share this video with a friend if they might like something that we featured here, and if you've been loving on some awesome gear lately and you want us to check it out, be sure to leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next one.